Good morning, girls. This is class 6. Again, girls, we have done envelopes, remember? Formal and informal, very easy one. We have already done. Okay, and I told you that all will prepare and keep it ready with you. So I think my girls have done the work. Yes, we will see your work once the school gets open and we all are joining the school at that time. And by the time, girls, do not destroy any work which you are doing, because I would like to see each and every work which has been taught right now. You will make any folder you have in your home, or any box, anything which you have in your home, just make it as a VPA craft box or folder, and whatever you are preparing, just try to keep it over there safe and sound. Okay. Now, if you have learned how to make a formal envelope, and if you have made a very normal envelope, so then you won't have any difficulty in understanding this. Now, I think last day I have already taught you how to make an envelope. Right? So I had this paper in my home. I have just made a normal envelope. Did I teach you this envelope? How to make it? Yes. Okay, I'll give you a quick revision. Okay, just give me a minute, please. I'll give you a very, very quick revision of the work, so that if someone has missed it, or we will learn it again, there is no problem. Learning makes you perfect, and doing makes you more. When you do your work, you become more and more and more handy in your work, and the perfection comes in your work, right? Yes. So I have taken a square paper, right? What I will do, I will just take a paper and I will fold it into 3 folds. Simple, do nothing, just fold it into 3 folds. Now the upper fold can be little smaller. Make this fold, right? Then from the side, from this side, from both the sides, cut little bit. I'll tell you why you have to cut. Now the length of this should be little. The length of this should be bigger and the width should be smaller. Okay, you know the envelope. Now I have cut a stripe from here. Again the same measurement, I am going to cut it from here. And okay, cut the part. Now what I have done, we have taken a square paper. This I'll tell you later, and I told you fold it into 3. This part will be little less, little smaller than this part, and then you will open this, and from the down portion you will cut, okay, a stripe, and fold this again. Now you see the extra part which is here. This is the extra portion, girls, because I have cut this. Fold it from this portion. Okay, fold it from this portion. Can you see what I have done? Can you see this? Yes, the extra part is folded inside. Both the sides you will do the same thing. Like fold the extra part inside, and then with the help of Fevicol, join this. Oh, my Fevicol. Then with the help of the Fevicol, so with the help of the Fevicol, join this. It should be very neat. The work should be very neat. Otherwise your envelope will look bad. Okay, we fold it here and hold it for 2 minutes. so that it is joined very neatly and nicely. Use a rough cloth always with you, so that if your hand sticks with the Fevicol, you can always clean it with. Otherwise, that extra Fevicol is going to stick here and there, and the work will get spoiled. Your envelope will get dirty. So now, again the other side, what are we going to do? We are going to join the other side also with Fevicol, right girls? And we are going to hold it for a minute, so that it is joined to the other part very neatly. So both the parts are joined. See how neatly it is. Same way you are going to do, right? Now can you see this extra part? Now just because you always have a flap on the envelope, now it's up to you that you want to cut it from here, you want to cut it this way, and because we need to be very much equal both the sides, so I'm keeping the same cut. Okay, so can you see what I have done? I have just simply cut it in this way. If I want to make it a little shorter, I will make it a little shorter too. Okay, now sometimes we have this shape in the envelope. You can also give this shape if you want. If you want, you can keep that first shape only, that square one, and now your envelope is done. This is the envelope which your parents use or you are using sometimes to give some gift to your known. When we go to marriages and all, your parents take this type of envelope. Yes, they put money in this, and then they with a dory or with lace or with say sometimes they use sellotape also. But instead of sellotape, we get in the market, I just have 2-3 of this. I'm not having other color. Let me check. Oh, I'm having pink color. This type of stickers are available in the market and near your school also, but everywhere in the stationery shop, big or small, right? So you can keep these stickers at home. Do not open it completely, fully. Don't open it. Open half the way. See what I'm doing. See it very nicely. I've taken the sticker, open half, fold the paper here, and then what you're going to do, half you will stick it over here in the middle. Can you see? Yes. So this part is sticked, and you will keep it like this. Do not open the other part of the paper. Why? Because the time when we are going to give this envelope to someone, then only we will pull the other part and stick it over here, which is not going to open. Okay, now I want all of you to make a envelope of any color paper, of any paper which you have it in your home, and try to make it like this. If you do not have a sticker like this, do not worry. If you have double side tape, that can also help you here for time being. If you do not have that also, do not worry at all. I was having it in my home, so I have used it and I have shown you, but you will not worry at all. Once the market gets open, then there is no problem. We will have plenty of things with us. Okay, so now for time being, what is your main work? Your main work is to learn the envelope. This envelope, you will learn it properly. I have told you 2 things. You can give this oval shape, the round, little slightly round shape here, slightly curve here, or if you do not want, you can keep it very much sharp. It's up to you. And even one more thing, girls, I have taken a thick flap. You can make it smaller also, this also, it's up to you, but I wanted it little bigger, so I have kept it like this, right? Shapes can be different. I have made some shapes, I'll show you, because by the time I'm giving you the next video, that will be the designing part of sorry, that will be the designing part of this. Now I would like to suggest something over here. Girls, you have some decorations at home, सीक्वेंसेस जिसे हम लोग सिप्पी बोलते हैं, कुछ मोती, कार्ड्स, द कार्ड्स विच यू हैव रिसीव्ड फ्रॉम सम मैरिजेस, इन्विटेशंस, you have some special, like sometimes you have some special stickers on that, maybe a metal work on that, or maybe these type of things you might have home, or some laces. Collect those things and keep it with you. When I'll pass you the next video, you'll see that I have made some envelopes with little designing on that, which looks very nice when you give it to someone. Okay, thank you so much. You should be ready with all this normal one, then this second envelope, like already taught you on that day, then this is there, so please try to make it very neatly. It should be very neat. See, no color, no fevicol anywhere else, and this especially this, can you see? Yes, the joining should be very neat, cutting, joining, and this joining should be, both this side should be very much equal. Okay, thank you so much. I'll meet you again in the next video. By the time I would like my girls to complete this work and keep it with you. Stay safe, stay happy.